Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about the benefits of energy healing for physical and emotional health on Maya's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. In a serene village nestled at the edge of a crystal-clear lake, there lived a woman named Maya. Maya possessed a profound belief in the power of energy, the unseen force that permeated all living beings and connected them to the universe. She understood that this energy played a pivotal role in physical and emotional well-being, and she dedicated her life to the art of energy healing. Maya's journey began when she experienced a personal health crisis. Traditional medicine offered no solace, leaving her feeling hopeless and disconnected from her own body. Determined to find a solution, Maya embarked on a quest to explore alternative healing modalities. It was during this search that she discovered the transformative world of energy healing. Guided by her intuition, Maya immersed herself in the study of energy systems and the various techniques used to restore balance and harmony. She learned that energy healing was not confined to the physical body alone, but extended to the subtle energy fields that envelop every living being. Maya discovered that energy healing could help clear energetic blockages, release stagnant emotions, and restore the natural flow of energy within the body. It acted as a catalyst for healing, addressing the root causes of physical ailments and emotional imbalances. She witnessed firsthand the profound benefits it had on both her own well-being and those she worked with. As Maya honed her skills, she began offering energy healing sessions to others, sharing the transformative power she had experienced. People came to her seeking relief from chronic pain, anxiety, and emotional trauma. Through gentle touch, intention, and the manipulation of energy, Maya facilitated a remarkable healing process. During the healing sessions, Maya would witness the release of pent-up emotions and the restoration of vitality. Clients reported feeling a renewed sense of peace, clarity, and physical well-being. They found solace in the gentle, non-invasive nature of energy healing and its ability to address the underlying imbalances in their energetic bodies. Word of Maya's extraordinary healing abilities spread throughout the village and beyond, reaching individuals who had exhausted all other options. People flocked to her, seeking the powerful benefits of energy healing. They discovered that it offered a holistic approach to well-being, addressing not only the physical symptoms but also the emotional and energetic aspects of their being. Maya's work also extended to the realm of emotional healing. She understood that emotions were energy in motion, and when suppressed or unprocessed, they could manifest as physical ailments. Maya guided her clients through the process of releasing and integrating emotions, allowing them to find profound healing and inner peace. Through her healing practice, Maya witnessed the transformative power of energy healing in countless lives. She saw individuals let go of past traumas, embrace self-love, and reclaim their vitality. Maya's work became a beacon of hope for those who had lost faith in traditional methods, as they discovered a new path towards healing and well-being. And so, dear reader, let Maya's story be a reminder of the immense benefits of energy healing. Embrace the power of this ancient healing modality that taps into the subtle energies within and around you. Allow it to support your physical and emotional well-being, guiding you towards a state of balance and wholeness. Trust in the wisdom of your body and the innate healing capacities that lie within. Explore the world of energy healing and experience its transformative effects firsthand. Open yourself to the profound shifts that occur when you address the energetic imbalances and allow the natural flow of energy to restore your vitality. As you embark on your own healing journey, remember that energy healing is a complementary approach that works in harmony with traditional medicine. Embrace its gentle yet powerful nature, and allow it to support you on your path towards optimal health and emotional well-being. Embrace the limitless potential of energy healing and unlock the vibrant vitality that awaits within you. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in Chanel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.